Hello guys, welcome on this video. My name is Shaur Anjam and today we are going to discuss the basics of AutoCAD, and in this video we are going to learn what is AutoCAD and how to download and install this software in your computer. First of all, we can learn what is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D software. In this software we can able to draw any type of line. Is called 2D, like this. Here I draw the line like this. This is a 2D line, like a circle. If I draw a circle, this is called circle. This is called a 2D objects. Okay, you can use this software for 2D drawings, and we can able to draw 3D lines, 3D objects like this. For example, I draw a box, and here is a box, and we click, and then here, and you can see here is a 3D object, and this is a 2D and 3D software. So we can use a 2D drawings in this software. We can able to draw 2D lines and drawings in this software, and we can able to draw 3D objects in this software. So basically this is our 2D and 3D software. So it is called computer aided designing. The CAD, the word AutoCAD, is called automatic computer aided designing. This is computer aided designing software. If you want to download this software and install into your computer, you go to the first on browser and type the Autodesk website. This is the website Autodesk, and it has a lot of products are available in this website. You can download easily from here for free, and you can click on here is a product. Click on products, and you can see here the button view all products. Here is a lot of softwares are available on this website that is developed by Autodesk, and we are going to download AutoCAD. Here is AutoCAD. Click on AutoCAD, and you can easily download this software from here, download for free. And here is some 3 options are available if you want to buy a license for annually, for monthly, and for 3 years. This is the best value is available for 3 years, but you download this software for free. Here you click on here, and it will ask you which type of software you need. I need AutoCAD. Here is some other versions of software available for AutoCAD for Mac, AutoCAD architectural, engineering, and mechanical, and there many type of software. You can select the AutoCAD and click on next. Here is some system requirements which is required to download your software and install on your computer. First of all, you need to be 64-bit Windows, and any version. If you have Windows 10 is much better, and you have minimum of 4 GB of RAM, and recommended internet connection is 10 Mbps. And some more details are available on this website. Here you click on the see more requirements. You can click on here, and now the tab is opened, and you can see system requirements for AutoCAD 2022, including specialized tool sets. And here is some details about your software if you want to download AutoCAD 2022. So this is the best software, and you can click on here and go to the next and select the software as a business, as a student or teacher. You select any of these option. I want to select a business user. Click on here and select the language is English. You can use any language you want, but I use English language. Here is English, and click on the next. Now the software is going to download. Then you need to be sign in on here. I want to sign in first, and click here, and now the software is downloaded. Now type your email address. Now tell about your company. You type the name of your company. For example, I type the CAD Master. This is my computer. This is my channel name, and then you can need to be select your country. My country is Pakistan. I select the Pakistan. If your country is India, United States, any country you have, you select your country and state. Give the information. Type the information of your city name, your postal code, and your phone number, and everything it is need for your downloading of this software. I just put the some information and now click on the begin download. Your download has started. Now here is a new window is open and it asks me to save your file, and I'm select the directory of C drive for my software and I'm click on the save. And now here you see the software is downloaded and click on the show more, and here is my setup, show in the folder. And now here is my setup of AutoCAD 2022, and just double click on the software and install and run it. And this is a very simple and procedure to download and install this computer. After to download the software, you can see software like this. I'm going to tell you about what is the first interface of the software. This is the first interface. Here you see, I just go to the now. After the installation is completed, you double click on the software, and now you double click on software, and this is the first interface of your software. Here is the the crosshair, and here is panels and tabs are available on here, and this is the menu button of software. This is the UCS icon and a 3D view cube, and some of these options are available on the bottom side of the software. And here is some customization tools. In the next video we can learn, in the next coming videos we learn about some basics of AutoCAD, like tabs and panels and the commands, and these are options available on menu option. What is the UCS icon, about the cursor, which is a moving eye. Here is a command line, which if you see this command line on here, you can click and drag here and just click out. So guys, thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope you enjoy this video and learn how to download and install. In the next video we are learn about some more basics interfaces of this software. Hope you enjoy this video. So thank you for being with us. Take care.